Morning children, Sai Ram. Last class we started with a new chapter, right? Chapter number 3, addition. We're going to continue with the sums, shall we? Find the estimated sum of the following numbers by rounding off the numbers to the nearest 100. We're going to round off the numbers to the nearest 100. This we saw in last class, right? And again we are continuing with one more sum now. Yes. So we are going to add 1451 and 9824. How we are going to add? First we are going to round off the numbers to the nearest 100 and then we are going to add, shall we? Now first take 1451, round off this number to the nearest 100. To round off the number to the nearest 100, what you have to see? You have to see the digit at the tens place, right? What digit we have? 5. It is if the digit is 5 or greater than 5. So put 0 in the ones place, 0 in the tens place, and you're going to add 1 to the digit at the hundreds place. So 4 plus 1, 5, and the thousands place remain the same. So 1500. 1451 is rounded off to 1500. Now take the number 9824. Round off this number to the nearest 100. So see the digit at the tens place. It is 2. As it is less than 4, what you have to do? Put 0 in the ones place, 0 in the tens place, and the hundreds place remains the same. So don't change the hundreds place and then thousands place. So 9824 is rounded off to 9800. Now shall we add these two numbers? 1500 and 9800. Shall we add these two numbers? So first write the numbers in their exact places. 1500. So 1000, 15001 in the thousands place, 5 in the hundreds place, 0 in the tens place, 0 in the hundreds place, 0 in the ones place, 0 in the ones place, 0 in the tens place, and 5 in the hundreds place, and 1 in the thousands place. Now take the number 9800. 0 in the ones place, 0 in the tens place, 8 in the hundreds place, and 9 in the thousands place. 9800. Shall we add this now? While adding, you should add the hundreds place. So first add the ones place. First add the ones place. 0 plus 0, 0. Now next step is add the tens place. Now again 0 plus 0 is 0. So write 0 below the tens place. After that we are going to add the hundreds place now. Shall we add the hundreds place now? 5 plus 8. We are going to add 5 plus or 8 plus 5. 8 in the mind. After 8 we are going to add 5 numbers, right? After 8 we are going to add 5 numbers. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 is a 2-digit number. So write 3 here and this 1 is carried forward to the next place. That means the thousands place. So 1 is carried forward to the thousands place. Now add the thousands place now children. So first add the first two numbers 1 and 1. 1 plus 1. 1 in the mind. After 1 you are going to add 1. 1 plus 1, 2. With this 2 we are going to add 9 numbers. So with 9 we are going to add 2 numbers. After 9 we are going to add 2 numbers. 9 plus 2, 10, 11. If there is there any number to add in the next one? If there is no number, you can write directly, or if this number, if you carry over to the next one, what is the next place? That is 10,000 place, right? So that one you write it directly. There is no number to add, so write the number directly. So the answer is 11,300. First change the number, round off the number to the nearest 100, and after that add that. Answer is 11,300. Now on word problem. You know how to solve a word problem? First read the sum carefully. Sukrit, just read, listen to me. Sukrit travel 1578 kilometer, 1578 kilometer by train. So he traveled by 1578 kilometer by train and 1036 kilometer by bus. Sukrit, what he did, he first traveled by train and then from there he traveled by bus and another 729 kilometer by car. Then he took a car and then he traveled by car. How much distance did he travel in his whole journey? So whole journey means we are going to add everything, right? So what is, how much distance did he travel? Did he travel in the whole journey? First he traveled by train, then by bus, then by car. Then first what we are going to do? We are going to add all the things, right? Then we'll find the total distance traveled by Sukrit, right? So first statements is necessary, right? So first write distance traveled by train. How much distance? He traveled by train. How much distance he traveled by train? 1578 kilometer. How much distance? So first write distance traveled by train 1578 kilometer. Next step, distance traveled by bus. How much distance he traveled by bus? 1036 kilometer. Then distance traveled by car. Then he took a car, right? So distance traveled by car 729 kilometer. Just see the place and write. So don't write 7 in the thousands place. That will go wrong. So now total distance traveled by Sukrit. What do you mean by total? So you're going to add all these three, right? So you're going to add these three numbers. Shall we add this now? First add the ones place. 8 plus 6. First we are going to add 8 plus 6. After 8 we are going to add 6 numbers. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. With this 14 we are going to add 9. 14 plus 9. With this 14 we are going to add 9 like this. So we are going to add 9 plus 4 is 9. After 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 3 here and 1 will be carried over and 1 plus 1 is 2, 23. It's a 2-digit number. So write 3 here and 2 I have carried over to the tens place. 2 I have carried over to the tens place. Now shall we add the tens place now? Now 2 plus 7. So don't forget to add the carry over. 2 plus 7 is, after 7 you are going to add 2. 7, 8, 9. With this 9 I am going to add, 3 more. After 9 you are going to add 3. 10, 11, 12. So with this 12 I am going to add 2 more. With this 12 add 2 more. So with this 12 I am going to add this 2. So 12, 2 plus 2, 4 and 1. And it's a 2-digit number. So write 4 here and carry over that 1 to the hundreds place now. Now shall we add the hundreds place now? 1 plus 5, take 1 and 5. 1 plus 5, after 5 you're going to add 1 number. So 6. So 6 plus 0. After that we have 0. 6 plus 0 is 6. Then 6 plus 7. Last number is 7. So we are going to add 6 and 7. After 7 we are going to add 6 numbers. So after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 13. So 3 I am writing it here and 1 is carried over to the next place. So add 1, 1, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 1, 3. So the total distance travelled is 3,343 kilometer. How will you find the total distance? You'll add, right? So first distance travelled by train, distance travelled by bus, distance travelled by car, then total distance travelled by Sukrit. Now add all together. So the answer is 3,343 kilometer. Now we are going to addition without carry over. We are going to add without carry over. So first, how will you add the numbers? We'll see now. Find the sum of, we are going to add, sum means addition, right? Find the sum of 37,241 and 21,356. Write the addends. What do you mean by addends? These two numbers are called addends. The numbers that we are going to add are called addends. Write the addends. And what do you mean by sum? The answer we get right, that is called as sum. So if we add these two numbers, the answer we'll get right, the total, that is called sum. And that you're going to write in words. Words means number name. Shall we write? First we'll see the addition of this. So first write the number in their exact places. 37,241. So 1 in the, first take the number 37,241. Write 1 in the ones place, 4 in the tens place, 2 in the hundreds place, 7 in the thousands place, and 3 in the 10,000 place. Now take the second number 21,356. Write 6 in the ones place, 5 in the tens place, 3 in the hundreds place, 1 in the thousands place, and 2 in the 10,000 place. Now shall we add this now? How will you add the numbers? First step is we are going to add the ones place, right? So step 1 is first we are going to add the ones place. Now what are the numbers are there in the ones place? 1 and 6. So add 1 plus 6 and tell me the answer now, children. We are going to add 1 plus 6 or 6 plus 1. Any order you can add, right? So keep 6 in mind. After 6 we are going to add how many numbers? 1. After 6, 7. So 1 plus 6 is 7. So write it below the ones place. So first step is we are going to add the ones place. 1 plus 6 is 7. And what is the next step? First we added the ones place, then move on to the tens place. Shall we add the tens place now? Very good. So what are the numbers are there in the tens place? 4, 5. See, I have circled that. So we are going to add the digits at the tens place. 4 and 5. Add and tell me the answer now, children. 4 in the mind. After 4 we are going to add 5 numbers. We are going to add 5 numbers. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. After 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 4 plus 5 is 9. So 9. 4 plus 5 is 9. So write it below the tens place. So first we added the ones place, then the tens place, then we'll move on to the hundreds place. Shall we add the hundreds place now? Yes. What all the digits are there in the hundreds place now? Tell me. 2, 3. We are going to add 2 and 3, right? Add 2 and 3 and tell me the answer now. We are going to add 2 and 3. Keep 2 in mind. After that, we are going to add 3 numbers. After 2, 3, 4, 5. After 2, we are going to add 3 numbers. 2, 3, 4, 5. So the answer is 5. Write it below the hundreds place. First, we added the ones place. 1 plus 6, 7. Then the tens place. 4 plus 5, 9. Then the hundreds place. 2 plus 3, 5. Then we'll move on to the next one. Thousands place. Next we are going to add the thousands place. 7 and 1. We are going to add 7 and 1. Add and tell me now. Answer the children. Add and tell me the answer now. So we are going to add 7 to 1. After 7 we are going to add only one number. After 7, 8. So write 8 below the thousands place. Next 7 plus 1 is 8. So write below the thousands place. Now step 5. We are going to add. Next we'll move on to the 10,000 place, isn't it? Shall we add the 10,000 place now? Yes. What are the digits in the 10,000 place? 3 and 2. Add and tell me the answer now. 3 plus 2. We are going to add 3 and 2. Keep 3 in mind. And after that we are going to add 2 numbers. After 3, 4, 5. So 3 plus 2 is 5. Write it below. So the answer is 58,597. So the first step is add the ones place. 1 plus 6 is 7. Then the tens place. 4 plus 5, 9. Then the hundreds place. 2 plus 3, 5. Then the thousands place. 7 plus 1, 8. Then the 10,000 place. 3 plus 2, 5. So the answer is 58,597. Now we are going to write the words. So now what is this 37,241? 21,356. These both are add-ins, right? Add-ins. So add-ins, the number that we are going to add-ins, and the sum, the total we got, right? 58,597. That is called sum. So this we are going to write in words. Shall we write? So first take 37,241, 37,241. Write that in words. Ones. So 37 it is in ones. 37, 241, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, TTH. So this is 37,000, right? 37,000, 37. It is in 10,000 place. 37,000, sorry, 37,000, 37,240, 241. 37,241. Next, take the next one. 215356. 21356. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. So 21 it is in which period? It is in thousands period, right? So first 3, 2. It is in thousands period. So 21,000, right? 21,356. 356. You all know the spelling, right? 21,356. Next, we are going to write the sum in words. 58,597. 58,597. Now 3 in Indian number system, 3, 2. This is the ones period and this is the thousands period, right? Thousands period. So 58,000, 58,597. 58,000, FIFTY, 58 EIGHT, 58,598, 97, 597. Now we are going to see addition of numbers with carryover. Now last sum we saw without carryover. Now we are going to see addition of numbers with carryover. Shall we see now? Find the sum of 42,618 and 37,956. We are going to add this now. Shall we add this now? First write the numbers in their exact places. So first take the number, first number 42,618. Write 8 in the ones place and 1 in the tens place, 6 in the hundreds place, 2 in the thousands place and 4 in the 10,000 place. Now take the second number 37,956. Write 6 in the ones place, 5 in the tens place, 9 in the hundreds place, 7 in the thousands place and 3 in the 10,000 place. Shall we add this now? First, what is the first step? We are going to add the ones place, right? So what are the digits are there in the ones place? 8 and 6. Add 8 plus 6 and tell me the answer now, children. We are going to add 8 and 6. After 8, we are going to add 6 numbers, right? 8 after 8, keep 8 in mind. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So the answer is 14. It's a 2-digit number. So write 4 here. Write only this 4 here and this one is carried. That is the second step. This one is carried over to the next one. Tens place. Shall we? So write 4 here. And the next step is carry over that 1 to the next place. Tens place. I have carried over that 1 to the tens place. Now what is the second step? So we are going to add the tens place now. Shall we add the tens place now? Yes. So don't forget to add the carry over. So add. First take the two numbers. 1 plus 1. Add 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. After 1 we are going to add one number. 1 plus 1 is 2. With this 2 we are going to add this 5. With this 2 we are going to add 5. After 5 add 2 numbers. After 5 6, 7. After 5 we are going to add 2 numbers. 6, 7. So write it down below the tens place. Don't forget to add the carry over. Okay, first I've added the carry over because we'll forget, right? So 1 plus 1 is 2. First take these two numbers. 1 plus 1, 2, then 2 plus 5, 7. Now what is the next step? First we added the ones place, then the tens place, then we'll move on to the hundreds place. Shall we move on to the hundreds place? What all the digits are there in the hundreds place now? 6, 9. See, I have circled it, right? 6 and 9. We are going to add 6 and 9. Keep 9 in mind or 6 in mind. Anything you can do. You can add in any order. So I'm keeping 9 in the mind, 6 in the finger. After 9, I'm going to add 6 numbers. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 9 plus 6 is 15. It's a 2-digit number. So write 5 alone here, and this one is carried over to the next one, thousands place. This one is carried over to the thousands place. That we'll see now. See, 5 I've written here. The next step, carry over that one to the next place. That means the thousands place. Now what is the next step? Add the thousands place now. Shall we add the thousands place now? Don't forget to add the carry over. So 1 plus 2. First take the carry over and the 2. First number is 2. Add 1 plus 2. Or else you can add 2 plus 7. After that also you can add the carry over. That is, you can add in any order, right? So I'm adding 1 plus 2. So I'm taking these 2 first. After that I'm adding with 7. So 1 plus 2 is, after 1 I'm going to add 2 numbers. After 1, 2, 3. With this 3, I'm going to add this 7. With this 3, I'm going to add this 7. 1 plus 2 is 3 and 3 plus 7. After that 7, add this 7. So keep 7 in mind. After that we are going to add 3 numbers, right? After 7, 8, 9, 10. After 7, I'm going to add 3 numbers. 8, 9, 10. It's again a 2-digit number. So write 0 here, and this one is carried over to the 10,000 place. See, this one is carried over to the 10,000 place, right? So now we are going to add the 10,000 place. Now shall we add the 10,000 place now? Yes. 1 plus 4. Add 1 and 4 and tell me the answer now. 4 in the mind. After 4, we are going to add only one number. 4 plus 1 is 5. With this 5, I'm going to add this next number 3. Add and tell me the answer now, children. 5 plus 3. After 5, 6, 7, 8. So the answer is 8. So write it below the 10,000 place. So the answer is 80,574. What is the first step? We are going to add the ones place. 8 plus 6 is 14. 14 is a 2-digit number. So write 4 here. This one is carried over to the next one. So now we'll add the tens place now. So 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 5 is 7. Sorry, 2 plus 5 is 7. So write 7 here. There is no carry over here. So write 7 directly. Now add the hundreds place. 6 plus 9, 15. So 5 here and 1 is carried over. Then add the thousands place. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 7, 10. So write 0 here. Carry over that 1 to the next place. Now add the 10,000 place. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 3, 8. So the answer is 80,574. Now exercise number 3.1. From this you are going to copy that the sums in your notebook. Now we are going to add 25,000. Add the following numbers. Add the following numbers. 25,173 and 37,045. Now first we are going to write the numbers in their places, right? First take the first number, 25,173. So write that in the exact places. 3 in the ones place, 7 in the tens place, 1 in the hundreds place, 5 in the thousands place and 2 in the 10,000 place. Now take the second number, 37,045. 5 in the ones place, 4 in the tens place, 0 in the hundreds place, 7 in the thousand place and 3 in the 10,000 place. Shall we add this now? While adding, first we have to add the, we are going to add the ones place, right? Shall we add the ones place now? So we are going to add 3 plus 5. Add and tell me the answer now. 3 plus 5. We are going to add 3 and 5. Add and tell me the answer now, children. After 5, we are going to add 3 numbers. 5, 6, 7, 8. So 3 plus 5 is 8. So write it below the ones place. Write it below the ones place. Now we'll add the tens place now. Shall we add the tens place now? 7 plus 4. Add 7 and 4 and tell me the answer now, children. After 7, we are going to add 4 numbers. Keep 7 in mind and 4 in finger. After 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. After 7, I have added 4 numbers. 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 is again a 2-digit number. So write 1 here. This 1 is carried over to the next place. That means the hundreds place. Now shall we add the hundreds place now? Yes. Now don't forget to add the carryover. So first I'm adding the carryover or else I'll forget. So add first the 2 numbers. 1 plus 1. 1 in the mind. After 1 we are going to add 1 number. 1 plus 1 is 2. With this 2 I'm going to add 0. With this 2 I'm going to add 0. 2 plus 0. 2. The answer will never change, right? So will not change. 2 plus 0 is 2. Now what is the next step? There is no carryover. Now add the thousands place now. 5 and 7. We are going to add 5 and 7. Or it's 7 plus 5. Keep 7 in mind, 5 in finger. After 7, I'm going to add 5 numbers. After 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. After 7, I'm going to add 5 numbers. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So it's a 2-digit number. So 2, I'm writing it here. This 1 is carried over to the next place. That means the 10,000 place. Now add the 10,000 place now. 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2. After 2, I'm going to add 1 number. 2 plus 1, 3. With this 3, add this 3. 3 plus 3. After 3, keep 3 in mind. After 3, I'm going to add 3 numbers. After 3, 4, 5, 6. So write 6 in the 10,000 place. So answer is 62,218. So first write the numbers in their exact places. 25,173 and 37,045. Write the numbers in the exact places. And then we are going to first, what is the first step? Add the ones place. So 3 plus 5 is 8. And 7 plus 4 is 11. So write 1 here. 1 you carry over to the next place, hundreds place. Add the hundreds place now. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 0, 2. Then the thousands place. 5 plus 7 is 12. So write 2 here. 1 you carry over to the next place, 10,000 place. Add 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. So the answer is 62,218. Next sum, 63,971, 2,108. We are going to add 63,971 and 2,108. First, we are going to write the numbers in their exact places, right? So first, take the first number, 63971. So write 639, so write in the exact places. 1 in the ones place, 7 in the tens place, 9 in the hundreds place, 3 in the thousands place, and 6 in the 10,000 place. Now take the second number, 2,108. Write 8 in the ones place, 0 in the tens place, and 1 in the hundreds place, and 2 in the thousands place. Shall we add the numbers now? How will you add the numbers? First add the ones place. So add 1 plus 8 and tell me the answer now. Or else 8 plus 1. 1 plus 8 or 8 plus 1. Same. So I'm keeping 8 in the mind. After that I'm going to add 1. 8 plus 1 is 9. After 8 I'm going to add only one number. 8 plus 1, 9. So write the 9 in the ones place. So first step is over. The next one we are going to add the tens place, right? So 7, 0. Add 7 plus 0 and tell me the answer now. If you add 0 to any number, the number will not change. So the 7 plus 0 is 7. So write 7 in the tens place. Write it below. Yes. Now move on to the hundreds place. 9, 1. Add 9 plus 1 and tell me the answer now. After 9, keep 9 in mind. We are going to add 1 to the number 9. After 9, we are going to add only 1. 9 plus 1, 10. It's a 2-digit number. So write 0 here and this 1 is carried over to the thousands place. This 1 is carried over to the thousands place. So 10, it's a 2-digit number. So I'm writing 0 in the hundreds place and 1 is carried out to the next place. That means the thousands place. Now add the thousands place. Now shall we add now? Now add this first carry over and this 3. 1 plus 3. After 1 we are going to add 3 numbers, right? 2, 3, 4, or 3 plus 1 is 4. With this 4, add 2 more to it. 4, with this 4, I am going to add 2 more. 4 plus 2. After 4, I am going to add 2 numbers. After 4, 5, 6. After 4, I am adding 2 numbers. So answer is 6. So write 6 below the thousands place. There is no carry over. So write 6 directly. Then add the 10,000 place. Is there any number to add? No. So write the number directly. 6. So the answer is 66,079. Answer is 66,079. So first add the ones place, then the tens, 7 plus 0, 7, then the hundreds place, 9 plus 1, 10. So write 0 here and 1 is carried over now. Then add the thousands place, 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 2, 6. Then add the 10,000 place, there is no number to add. So bring down that number directly, 6,000. So the answer is 66,079. Now here is a worksheet for you. Add the following numbers: 162875 415123 B 3,09,278 5,63,197. You're going to add these two numbers. Third one, 1,38,026 and 219. Finish the worksheet, children. Practice well the sums. See you in the next class. Thank you.